I don't want nobody but you. Don't want nobody touching me, baby. Don't want nobody kissing me, baby. Don't want nobody loving me.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I have like a special treat for you. I'm going to be showcasing this unit that I'm wearing from Rosabeauty.com. I will be sure to provide all their information down below, so be sure to check there because I have been absolutely loving this unit. And when I tell you, everyone stares so hard at me when I'm rocking this unit, it is no joke. I definitely suggest this wig. This wig is affordably priced in my opinion, and the quality of this hair is absolutely amazing. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this simple everyday summertime friendly makeup look. And the clip that you guys are going to see was previously recorded about a week ago, but I just wanted to come back in and show you guys this wig reapplied because I didn't really like the first application. I think I did kind of go ham with the baby hairs and whatnot. So let me show you guys how the hairline is looking right now. I'm still not in love with the application of this unit, so applying frontals for me is definitely the struggle because my hairline comes down so far, and I'm sure a lot of you ladies out there can attest to that struggle as well. However, I do like, you guys see this? And it's so perfect for this time of year. So once again, if you guys are interested in checking this unit out, I will provide links down below. If you are interested in getting this makeup look, definitely stay tuned. It is a chit chat video and it's very detailed. So if you are a beginner, you're going to get so much out of this video, and I hope you guys like it. Do me a favor and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your notifications and give me a thumbs up, and stay tuned to see how I got this gorgeous, simple, everyday, glowy makeup look.
Before we get started with the makeup look, I wanted to show you a brief unboxing of the unit that I received from Rosabeauty.com. Again, all their information will be linked down below, as well as all the details on this wig. This is the natural wave short bob lace front wig in 10 inches.
I'm going to use a combination of this lotion. I'll put everything down below. And this lotion. I start off like with this lotion because it helps me stay matte. And I put it in my T-zone area. Since it's been hot out here in California, I like to use the LA Girl Pro Prep HD High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. This primer helps me stay matte like pretty much all day. I'm back. The magic of eyebrows, even though today is not a good eyebrow day. Let's move forward. So something that I have been loving doing for a couple months now is adding my e.l.f. Megaglo Halo liquid highlighters on before like my foundation or BB cream. I have them in 2 colors. I'll list everything down below. I'm going to use the darker shade first and just apply it like right on my cheekbone. The bridge of my nose and my Cupid's bow. Sometimes I just use one. Today I'm feeling a little bit extra. And sometimes I just use the darkest shade. It depends. The darkest shade is more like bronzier, but together they're like perfect. I like to take a mini beauty blender and just blend that in. See that? Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. And on days, and I have them very often, little do you guys know, but on days when I don't wear anything, but I don't wear like any foundation or anything, this looks so gorgeous. But of course, I will use a lighter hand. I'm using my Holy Grail BB cream. This is the only BB cream that I have repurchased over and over and over. It's the Kiss New York Multifunction BB cream. You guys seen it. It is not new. I really love this BB cream because it gives you really good coverage and it doesn't make me like really oily by the end of the day. Oh, and another reason why I am obsessed with this BB cream, because this is like my perfect shade. Summer, if I get really tan, then I may go like a shade down, but pretty much for the most part, this is my perfect shade year round. And I'm just gonna go in lightly with a little bit more, just because I have dark spots and I want a little bit more coverage today, but you can get away with one layer, which is what I usually wear. But we being a little bit extra today because we're gonna go head out. Do you guys see like that natural glow that it's giving me? Like, if you guys haven't checked out these, make sure you do, because they are so beautiful. And when the sunlight hits your skin, OMG. For concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, which I am in love with. But I will say this concealer is more of a lightweight concealer. So if you need or want really full coverage, then you're probably going to want to add 2 layers or mix it with another concealer. I'm letting it sit a little bit under my eyes, so I probably won't even need 2 layers under my eyes. And that helps thicken your concealer up so you can get like the most coverage out of it. But be careful, because it doesn't work with every concealer, because some concealers will just turn on you if you let them sit too long, and they'll be hard to blend out. But this one blends out so well. This hair is giving me life. I kind of feel like I want to cut like 1 inch off of it, but I'm not for sure yet. I'm just really loving this wet and wavy look. I'm feeling it in the length. This is 10 inches, absolutely perfect. Rosabeauty, this is my second time working with them, and like I'm impressed for a second time. They have really nice quality hair. And this unit is just so perfect for everyday wear. Now, when you're blending out your under eye concealer, make sure you don't go down too far. You kind of have to go in the shape of your face construction. You can't watch it like all your favorite beauty gurus and do exactly what they do, because their face structure is more than likely different from yours. So you kind of got to learn how to create a look according to your face structure. I like to flip my beauty blender over back to the side that I use for my BB cream or foundation, and I just like to blend out any harsh edges. I think this kind of talk through tutorial is pretty good, because if you're beginners, it's way more informative. So once again, y'all, let me know what kind of makeup videos you guys want to see. You guys like get ready with me, talk through. Oh, I've been wanting to do like the 3-in-1 get ready with me videos. I want to do so much more makeup on my channel, but they get the least amount of views, and I'll be like, hold up, y'all asked for this look, but now y'all ain't watching. But sometimes I know YouTube be tripping, so I'll try to just push through. So I want to share this super affordable banana powder with you guys. If you guys don't want to fork out like $20 to $22 on the Sacha Buttercup powder, I've been loving the J-Cat Pro powder in banana, and that's how it looks. And I also love the Black Radiance loose setting powder in banana. That's how the top of the packaging looks, and this is how the case looks. They're similar, but they're totally different at the same time. But I definitely recommend both of them. And I'm applying a little bit more powder than I usually do under my eyes, because I want like a brightening effect today, because I'm not gonna have on any eyeshadow. So I want my face to do the talking, you know. That good old complexion beat. Ooh, and I really like to mix both of these setting powders sometimes. They're so perfect. But if you have like mature skin and a lot of wrinkles, I recommend the Black Radiance one because it's so finely milled that it doesn't cling to like any under eye lines or not dark circles, but what am I trying to say? It doesn't cling to your like wrinkles basically, or your fine lines. There you go, fine lines. In case you guys probably can't notice, this is the second day of me wearing this wig applied, and it's already lifting on the sides. The struggle. This is the powder that I'm using today. I had to switch to a smaller, more detailed brush because I got a little face. And this wig is taking it, half of it up. I struggle a lot with my frontal wig applications because my hairline comes down so freaking far. Like my baby hairs come down far, like look, my sideburns peeking through. I almost come close to not being able to wear frontals because of how far my hairline comes down. So now I'm going to go in with an all-time favorite, which is my e.l.f. CoverGirl Queen bronzer in Ebony Bronze. And this is like, I think my third one. I love this stuff. By the struggle, we got our eyelashes on. Why come one eyelash goes on perfectly with no complications, but the second one gives me the struggle? Like, why though? So I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. I'm going to add a little bit more bronzer to my face just because I'm just feeling extra like that. And I like this bronzer. It's the same bronzer, the CoverGirl one. It kind of works as like a blush too, so it's like the best of both worlds. I don't know if I want to use my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This sucker, I have been loving this for like over a year. But the Milani Tantastic face bronzer, this has been my ride or die. Like, this is like one of my first highlighters, so we go way back. And this one gives you like the most gorgeous bronzy sun-kissed look. I think we're gonna do both. Since I can't decide, we're gonna do both. I'm gonna go in with this one first because it's like more bronzier. So this one is perfect if you have a darker skin complexion. I love me a good inner tear duct highlight, you know. And I'm gonna go into the Maybelline one and highlight the bridge of my nose. And I really don't want to overdo it. I'm gonna just do gloss today. I'm using my Nikki K Light Brown lip liner. I'm just gonna put the smallest amount. And this is Colourpop Weho. I love it. And this is by Candy's lip gloss line is Old. One more thing, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. And let me turn around so you guys can see how this hair is looking right now. And I have my waves really defined. And this hair is like 98% dry. It's like just a smidget damp because I did take a shower and everything. And let me know if you guys like this makeup look. And I also want to tell you guys be sure to check out Rosabeauty.com. I will leave all their information down below.
Getting my daily exercise in with the knee.